Greetings, Opals users. The Spring 2022 Opals Update brings with it the ability to edit empty tiles on the OPAC Beginner Search interface. Let me show you how this is done. You'll go to your Search tab, go down to Beginner. Please note this is not for the OWL Beginner, but the Beginner Search. Click Beginner, and you will have now the palette of the OPAC Beginner Search interface. I've added a few things already, and let me show you how to do some editing and adding. You'll go to the top right corner and click Edit. The solar system I've already added, and let me show you what I've done here. I'm going to click the Edit option. This is a query search. In other words, it's going to search my catalog. The category name I've given it is the solar system. The terms to search, and please note all your terms or phrases should be separated with a comma. I'm starting with solar system, then you'll notice the comma, and planets. The search I'm using is a keyword search. Please note that the keyword search is quite a powerful search, and it will search the entire bibliographic record, not just subject headings, but the entire record. So, for example, if there was a publisher called Solar System Publishing, and they published a book that had nothing to do with the solar system, you would have this book coming up because it's on the bibliographic record. So I suggest you run a few searches through the keyword based on your phrases or terms, and just make sure that you're not pulling up records that aren't about the topic that may have those words in them. Again, a keyword search is very good, very comprehensive, but it might bring some results that you didn't necessarily want. Now you can also select an icon. I found this icon on free images off the net, and I've placed the icon right here to represent my customized search category. I'll just click OK. This tile used to be empty, and I'm going to click the Edit button, and this tile goes to a URL for the International Children's Digital Library. By the way, it's a great library that contains ebooks that are open to read on the internet of languages from all over the world. Here's the URL. I found their International Children's Digital Library image on the net, and I placed it on my custom search category for the icon. Here is a graphic novels. Let's edit this one. This is a topic wall. In other words, I already had a topic wall on my Opals catalog of the graphic novels. So what I did was I called the category name graphic novels, and any topic walls that you have will be displayed down here. You'll put a check mark on the appropriate topic wall, it will add the icon to the left, and you would click OK, and now you would have a search that would bring up all those items that are on your topic wall for the graphic novels in this case. Here's one for sports. I'm clicking this one, and this will be a query again. So I filled in the sports as the category name. I'm using sport asterisk, which will bring up sports, sporting, any endings after the word sport, that asterisk will bring up. I'm doing this as a subject search. Let me show you how you can get the icon. I'm going to click Select Icon, and these are the predefined icons that Opals provides under Standard. These are the PK5 icons. These are various UVic Humanities Computing and Media Center icons on various topics: animal, body, building, clothing, all sorts of topics. And then you, of course, will have your own tab of icons that you can put in your own Opals. Your tab will say your library name. I'm clicking this, and you can see that I've got my solar system icons, I've got an extra one here, I've got my International Children's Digital Library, and a few other icons scattered amongst. Here's my sports icon. I'm going to trash this icon. Okay, and now I'm going to upload a new one to show you how that is done. I'm clicking Upload Icon. I'm going in and put the icon name, sports. I'm going to choose a file, and I will bring up my Opals images, and these are some images that I downloaded off the net. So I'm going to choose this sports icon. By the way, you can have a folder on your desktop with various images to store for use in Opals. I'm going to use my sports icon right here. double click it. I will click Upload. And now my sports icon is back. I'm going to put a check mark here and click OK. So now my sports icon is on my icon tile, and I will simply click OK, and I've completed the query search for sports. I'm going to click Save, and then let's go and try these out. I'm going to click Solar System, and this is a query. And here's all my items on the solar system in my library of all sorts: ebooks, films, books, etc. All right. Now I'm going to go back, and I'm going to click the International Children's Digital Library. This will open up a new tab, and it will show me the International Children's Digital Library, and then I can begin searching for books in many languages. Now I'm going to click my sports search. I'm clicking right here, and this is another query that will search for items on sports or sporting or all sorts, because I use sport with an asterisk, and it found all these items on sports in my catalog. All right, now let's go back. And finally, let's have a look at the graphic novels. I'm going to click graphic novel, and this will bring up all the items in my graphic novel topic wall that are included with my pre-existing topic wall. And here they all are. All my graphic novels that would be on my topic wall. All right, let's go back to search, back to beginner. So once again, any empty tiles, and by the way, these were empty, these two were empty, this was empty, this was empty, can now be used to add subject queries of your catalog, links to web pages, to bring up items from a pre-existing genre list and or topic walls. I hope this video is helpful, and if you have any questions, please email support@opalsinfo.net or give us a call at 877-331-1022 and ask for tech support. Be glad to help you out. Thank you. Before I forget, I should also note that existing tiles on your beginner search interface, such as health, arts, folk and fairy tale stories, will be able to be edited in a future version update of Opals. Thanks again.